We are given a system of two equations. The first equation says a times b plus c equals 2025. The second equation says a plus b times c equals 2026. We want integer solutions for a, b, and c. First, express c from the first equation. C equals 2025 minus a times b. Next, substitute this expression for c into the second equation. So we get a plus b times 2025 minus a times b equals 2026. Now expand. A times 2025 times b minus a times b squared equals 2026. Rearrange everything to one side. A times b squared minus a minus 2025 times b plus 2026 equals 0. Now factor by grouping. A times b squared minus 1 minus 2025 times b minus 1 equals 0. Notice that 2025 times b minus 1 can be written as 2025 times b minus 1 minus 1. So we rewrite the equation as a times b squared minus 1 equals 2025 times b minus 1 minus 1. Now use the identity b squared minus 1 equals b minus 1 times b plus 1.
So the equation becomes a times b minus 1 times b plus 1 equals 2025 times b minus 1 minus 1. Now consider cases. If b equals 1, the original equations become a times b plus c equals 2025, a plus b times c equals 2026. Now substitute b equals 1. A plus c equals 2025, a plus c equals 2026. This is a contradiction, so no solution. Case 2, if b equals negative 1, the equations become negative a plus c equals 2025, a minus c equals 2026. Adding them gives 0 equals 4051, which is impossible, so no solution. Now consider the case where b is not equal to plus or minus 1. Then we divide it by b minus 1. So we get a times b plus 1 equals 2025 minus 1 divided by b minus 1. Then we can solve for a. For a to be an integer, 1 divided by b minus 1 must be an integer. This only happens when b minus 1 equals plus or minus 1. So b equals 0 or b equals 2. Another case, if b equals 2, 3 times a minus 2024 equals 0, then a equals 2024 divided by 3, which is not an integer, so no solution. Last case, if b equals 0, substitute into the original equations. Then c equals 2025 and a equals 2026. Therefore, the only integer solution is a equals 2026, b equals 0, c equals 2025.